Mm. My name is Sapna Vithalkar. I live in Mumbai and I've been teaching for past 19 and a half years. I started with pre-primary school. Then I moved on to primary and then eventually I did B.Ed and then few years I taught in secondary. And so I have the experience of the entire pre-primary to secondary grade till 8th standard, teaching 8th standard. So every step I felt the challenges were changing like with the small children with primary and secondary, so the challenges are different at different level. So it becomes a task, a great task to keep them focused, keep them on their task, keep them, help them pay attention and grasp maximum out of every lesson. We have to struggle with attention or seeking issues or distraction levels, then some misbehavior. Though I had B.Ed knowledge, all the courses, all the new techniques which we had learned during B.Ed course, because this latest B.Ed course actually I did 5 years ago, which is a comprehensive. But somewhere I was not finding the right step or right, or as you say, things to do in class, wherein I can get maximum out of those 30 minutes. I was just going through this Instagram reels and I came across Channa ma'am's reel about program. So I was like, I thought, let me try this program. It was a 4-day program. Joined this program and the first day, second day, third day, and fourth day, as we went on with different strategies, different techniques to manage all these problems which we teachers usually face. It was very kind of thing which helped me as a teacher to induce my creative ideas or creative mind to do it in a different way. Like, for example, there's one thing which I loved about this one program is how to match the rapport or tone when we are giving instructions in class, or how to the questioning skill, what kind of questions you should ask, what should we ask and what we should not ask. So that is somewhere which make me also think on this point. So it really helped me during the first day. I was like, okay, let me see how it is. I was sitting with, like, very casually I was sitting. I did have a notebook, but I didn't have any interest to write down. But as it went on, like, one step, one a technique, one strategy, and I started, like, thinking about how I can use it in my class. And when I started, after my leave, I again started working. I actually started implementing it. And I could see the difference that my energy level was not like earlier. I used to be drained out. Oh my God, it's such a tiring day and all that. Like, tiring, yes, because we are always on our toes, but not drained out, because unnecessary I used to feel earlier. I used to waste so much energy in, shouting or unnecessary, that kind of stress level, like, and then that stress level used to increase one day after the other. But now, since I used to, because of the code program, again, I learned, like, we have RT kits nowadays. There also, it helped me. The course helped me to get down to their level and make it into things easier, wherein I can use questioning skills, use, use their tone or use the language in which they can understand to make them understand the concept, whatever. Is went by till the end of the fourth day. In fact, I felt that why did you? I asked Channa ma'am also why it's only 4-day course. It should be a little low. Yes, it did help me. I did planning a lot after that. But I was at the end of the course. I was like, it's not a time pass thing. It is a wonderful thing, wonderful course. Which, like as I said, 19 years of experience. But at some point of time, you tend to kind of those small details which you have learned in your course, you tend to put it at the back of your mind, or you just keep it aside, wherein those are the things which will actually help in today's time, where there is the distraction levels are so high with the children, and attention seeking problems are also there, plus learning disabilities are also cropping up. So these techniques really help to make your class interactive and more like full of focus, wherein they will give you maximum input and you will get your output what you want to get out of the class. As I said, in spite of experience, we tend to not use certain things which we have learned already or implement it in the correct manner. So, how to communicate? Again, that also was one more point, where not just with kids, with the colleagues, otherwise also to have a very different work atmosphere and enjoy your work. That's what enjoy your teaching profession. So I think every teacher can try this program, and then it's not just a standard pattern. Okay, you have to learn this. No, it is something where you yourself will evolve, and you will understand. You will make your own strategies. You will start working in your for your classroom. Whatever is required, this base you will take, and you will work on different strategies which might be helpful to other teachers also. You never know. So that's why I think this is a very good program for teachers and anybody who is in the teaching profession, whether they have just joined or have been in this profession. But it is good program to enhance your skills, enhance your knowledge, and help you to implement all the strategies to get wonderful output from the students.